Hey everyone, let's get back to my channel. I am ARK. Today we are talking about Power BI. Why are people learning Power BI? Why are people switching to Power BI? Simple. Because in today's world, data is not just power, it's profit, performance, and possibility. Power BI doesn't show data only, it tells a story. Power BI turns boring spreadsheets into beautiful stories. It's fast, smart, and changing the way for making decisions. So, if you want to lead with data, I think Power BI is where you start. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and start your data journey with us. Let's start with what is Power BI? Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool, means BI, from Microsoft. It assists you understand your data by turning into clear visuals like charts, graphs, and reports. Whether your data in Excel or a database like SQL, Oracle, or even online, Power BI brings data from different sources. Microsoft Power BI was officially launched 24th July 2015. It started as a simple cloud-based tool to help people understand the data better by using three main parts: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power BI Mobile. Over time, Power BI has become much more powerful. Today, it works closely with Microsoft Fabric, includes smart features like Copilot, means AI assistant. Why are people using Power BI? Simple. It makes data easy. Power BI helps people move faster, work smarter, and stay ahead. As a part of Microsoft family, it works smoothly with Excel and other Microsoft tools and updates in real time. Think of a retail company has hundreds of stores, but struggling to track sales across hundreds of stores. Reports took long time. As a result, decisions were always delayed. But after switching to Power BI, they built a dashboard that updates in real time. And result, managers can see which products are selling, where, and why. At a glance, sales went up and reporting time dropped by 80%. With just few clicks, you can create dashboards, spot trends, and makes smarter decisions. Power BI versus other tools. Power BI is one of the top tools in the market. Since 2018, Power BI has been leading the way in business intelligence, means BI. Even though Power BI came out later than some other tools like Tableau, it has quickly became more popular. Let's take a look. It's interesting. I'm going to show you how Power BI has climbed the ranks in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for analytical and business intelligence platforms, starting from 2018 to 2024. Power BI versus Tableau means its competitor. No doubt, both are great tools for turning data into useful information. But questions: why many people choose Power BI? First one, easy of use. Power BI is easier for beginners, especially if you already use Excel or other Microsoft tools. Second one, cost. Power BI is more affordable, especially for small teams or organizations. Third one, integration. It works smoothly with Microsoft 365, Teams, and Azure as the family part of Microsoft. Hold on speed. You can build dashboards quickly with less setup and so on. I can clarify more and more. On the other hand, Tableau is a powerful tool as well, particularly for advanced visuals and deep analytics. But it can be more complex and costly. For financial perspective, just I'm gonna to tell you the comparison, which charges $70 per user per month. But Power BI only $10 per user per month with superior AI-based visuals. So if you think of, if you want a tool that's simple, fast, and budget friendly, Power BI is often the better choice. Why learn Power BI? Many companies now use Power BI. That means that they need more people who know how to use it. Learning Power BI can help you and give you the opportunity to get a better job. Can anyone use Power BI? The answer is yes. No need to be an IT expert. Power BI is made of everyone, whether you are a student, a business owner, or just someone curious about data. You can easily use Power BI to turn numbers into beautiful, interactive dashboards. Without coding, I mean, no coding is required here. Without coding, you can drag, drop, and visualize your data in minutes. It's much faster and easier than older systems. And if you are an advanced user, there's a DAX, Power Query, and advanced modeling for diving deeper. What makes Power BI special than other BI? First one, sharing reports. You can share reports in many ways on your computer or phone, in PowerPoint slides, on websites in Microsoft Teams, even in Excel. Side by side, you can also control the access. It means who sees what and get alerts when something changes. Second one, easy to start. Power BI is easy to start with. No coding is required here. You just need to download Power BI Desktop. It's free. Open your data like Excel or CSV, drag and drop to create chart and dashboards, and click Publish to share online. You just need to download Power BI Desktop. It's free. Open your data like Excel or CSV, drag and drop to create charts and dashboards. Click Publish button to share online. Third one, quick changes. You can update reports with just a few clicks. You don't have to wait days or weeks. Anyone can create their own reports. No help is required here. Fourth one, more than just charts. Power BI can make nice looking reports. Not only that, it also gives detailed data. Some managers like visuals, others want tables. Power BI can do both. You can even use Excel with Power BI to dig deeper into your data. Fifth on Power BI and artificial intelligence means AI. It uses AI to find patterns and insights. One of the coolest things about Power BI is that it uses AI. AI is changing the way business work in this world, in running world, and Power BI is making it easier than ever. With just few clicks, you can build smart dashboards, explore data with stunning visuals, and get powerful things all in one place. You can imagine that Power BI has emerged as the dominant platform for AI powered analytics. It's commanding 36.53% market share in BI. So, what is the difference between traditional Power BI and Power BI AI? Basically, traditional Power BI dashboard shows you what happened, but Power BI AI visuals tell you why it happened and what might happen next. Want to learn Power BI? You can learn Power BI through various ways, from online, from book. If you need any help in this regard, you can communicate with me through email, or you can subscribe my channel and continue watch my next videos where I will discuss about Power BI features one by one. Thank you very much.